Šێروان Šێروانی is an independent journalist who has worked for many years to expose government corruption in Iraqi Kurdistan. On October 7, 2020, Šērouan was abducted by an armed group who confiscated his belongings and held a gun to his head in front of his family before arresting him. For 19 days, Šērouan's family did not know where he was located after he was abducted and arrested. At this moment, Šērouan is being held in solitary confinement for publicly criticizing government officials on social media. CPT Iraqi Kurdistan has recently launched the United for Liberation Prisoner Defense Campaign, urging the Kurdistan regional government to release Šērouan Šērouani. We invite you to support the campaign and sign the petition calling for his freedom at cptaction.org. Learn more about Šērouan's case and take action. Let's see Šērouan Šērouani free and reunited with his family.